in case I ever get handcuffed, I can just. This is one of those things, and I know how to unlock a handcuff. You just insert it and move it up and down. Oh. Fuck. Alright, let's just keep it there. No, now it's not sure. Never falls. Hear that? Also, I hid this in my hair because I noticed if you get arrested, when the cops check if you have metal on anywhere, they don't check your hair.